Are you looking for the best electric sliding gate openers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric sliding gate openers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Eagle Slide Gate Operator System. The electric sliding gate opener comes along with a 0.5 horsepower motor. You can use this opener for a sliding gate up to 600 lbs. Moreover, you can lift the door at a maximum distance of 27 feet. The smart foot release technology makes opening hassle-free during the power cut. Nevertheless, the diamond control board makes installation hassle-free. The 10 feet long nickel-plated chains also make the lifting mechanism smoother. Furthermore, the automatic close timer reduces electricity wastage. The 8-feature selector switch makes installation easier for all. However, the stop-reverse function assures everyone's safety. This set includes a receiver and 2 wireless remotes as well. At number 4. Eagle One Slide Gate Operator. This gate opener comes along with a photo eye sensor. The 10 feet nickel-plated chains are also resistant to rust and corrosion. Moreover, these chains make the lifting process smooth and consistent. The automatic slide gate opener comes along with a 0.5 horsepower motor. Hence, the mechanism runs without any obstruction. This opener also lifts a gate up to 18 feet with a maximum weight of 300 lbs. Furthermore, the fail-proof release crank lets you manually open the gate. However, you can safely have access to your space during the power outage. This system includes a receiver and a pair of transmitters. This opener comes along with an inbuilt lighting system. At number 3. Toppins Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. This electric sliding gate opener comes with a higher lifting capacity. Hence, you can use this system for bulky gates. Moreover, this gate opener has a maximum lifting capacity of 3,400 pounds. This system works with different types of sliding gates. Nevertheless, you can flexibly adjust the closing time from 0 to 90 seconds. The magnetic limit switch also makes adjustments convenient for users. The adjustable pedestrian or midway mode increases the functionality of this system. Furthermore, the smooth, silent mechanism makes lifting trouble-free every time. The inbuilt stop or reverse mode assures your safety by reducing accidental closing. However, the manual release key offers easy access during power cuts. At number 2. GT Master Automatic Gate Operator Kit. The automatic close function increases the practicality of this opener. This electric sliding gate opener also consists of an intelligent control board. Hence, you can customize the speed of opening and closing accordingly. Moreover, you can extend the access from 1 to 25 users by using remote controllers. This sliding opener comes along with a complementary IR sensor. This gate opener also comes along with a 20 feet long chain. Furthermore, the IR photocell function works precisely every time. This system comes along with 2 transmitters. This gate hardware comes with a lifting capacity of 1,300 lbs. However, after detecting the presence of humans, the sensor will stop the closing process. At number 1. GATEXPERT Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. The electric sliding gate opener comes along with an automatic opening system. However, the smart sensor reduces the chances of false triggering. Moreover, the opener comes along with a maximum lifting capacity of 1,800 lbs. The infrared photocell sensor works efficiently in any weather condition. Nevertheless, the AC motor makes this system run without any complication. The gate opener also comes with a maximum lifting length of 26 feet. Furthermore, you can set the closing timer from 12, 24, and 36 seconds. The motor stops functioning automatically after 15 minutes. The system consists of a smart IR sensor. Therefore, this sensor automatically senses the presence of humans and pauses the closing function. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.